You can expect a lot from the 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.